first time you start Wings, you will have a Windows window like this. Maximize it, and here it a geometry window, side wings. You can open another geometry window and another one, and all then can be closed here or contract or expanded by clicking here, close it, except the first one. You can resize it at any moment by here, and right click here. You can fit it at horizontal and fit it at vertical, and you can resize it again, and you can fit it in both dimensions. Okay, let's fit in both dimensions. Right click, you can size the the window by typing the values here, the width value here and the height values here. So you can hide the toolbar that was here and show it again. The toolbar Wings have a top menu, file, edit, view, select, tools, window, help, and this toolbar open a Wings file, save a Wings file, undo, redo, preferences, show access tripod and hide it, show and hide the ground plane, preferences. We will talk about this in a minute. That's it. These are the work modes. You can access them by clicking at these icons, or by hitting V to activate vertex mode, E to activate edge mode, F to activate face mode, and B to activate body mode. And first hotkey, that's very important at this moment, select, deselect, spacebar, deselect anything that it's selected in SAM, and reset the work modes. Spacebar, the work modes are resetted. If you right click in a work area, you have a context menu. If there is anything in SAM, this is the body work mode context menu. Let's create again. Right click, cube. You created a cube in SAM. Vertex mode, you can select the vertex. Spacebar or select the selected edges, select the select faces, select the select, and body, entire body selected. Spacebar. If you click on an element, if you point your cursor over the geometry, you can select a vertex, an edge, and a face. Wings highlighted, and element under the cursor, edges, vertex, and faces. If you select some vertex and right click, this is vertex context menu. Spacebar. If you select edges and right click, these are the commands you can use with edges. Spacebar. Same thing for faces. These are the commands you can use with faces. Set, for example. Any command can be interrupted by right click abort abort and command in execution. Spacebar to the selector. Let's change the way Wings shows vertex. These three vertex are selected, but it's hard to see it. So go to Preferences or Edit Preferences. Quick Ways here and change the way vertices are displayed in Wings. Select size. It is smallest than I want, so I will type 12. Okay, now it's better to visualize. Spacebar. Same thing for edges. Preferences here is how the edges are displayed in Wings. Let's alter the width of selected edges from 2 or 6. It's better now. Easy to visualize. So vertex, selected edges, selected faces, entire body. Now we have to be able to navigate around this element, this object. It's what is called camera. Here at info line you have the camera instructions. I am forgetting an important point. If you select a face, here you have the information about the selected face, its number, its coordinates, its material, and its area. Same for vertex. Vertex 1, 2, 5, 6 are selected. Okay, here are the instructions for the use of camera. These instructions currently are for a way that's called Wings3D camera. Let's change it. Preferences or Edit Preferences and go to Camera tab. Here you inform Wings how many buttons does your mouse have, 3, and which camera mode you prefer to work with. I will change it for 3ds Max, my personal preference. Okay, here you have the instruction about how to operate your camera. In this case, Alt middle mouse button, tumble, Alt middle mouse button, tumble, or has no has, pen. Any command in Wings can be aborted during your execution, included camera ones, by right click, middle mouse button, track, Alt middle mouse button, tumble, right click, Control Alt with the mouse button, dolly. No matter which camera you prefer, you can scroll with the mouse button and perform zoom in, zoom out. Okay. It's enough for now. I hope you have appreciated, and feedback is welcome.